Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install R for R programming on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here R download. Hit enter. So that will show you all these different links. So from here you need to click on this comprehensive R archive network. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description, so you can directly use that link to land over here. Once when you are here, depending upon what operating system you are using, Linux, macOS or Windows, you need to proceed with that. For Windows, I am going to just simply click on this download R for Windows. That's going to redirect to this page. Here you need to click on this install R for the first time. And this is the latest version of R, that is 4.5.2. At the time of making of this video, we are going to download it. If you are watching this video much later, but then also whatever steps that I am showing will be pretty much same. So just simply click on that and it's going to immediately start downloading our product. Here is our R right downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And here is our R setup. So this is language drop down. You can select anything you want. I'll proceed with English. Click on OK. You can minimize your browser, by the way. These are all license agreement. Read it. Click on next. This is where our R is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Click on next again. Here you can keep everything as default and click on next. So it's going to create a R menu folder. Totally fine. Click on next. You can check this option as well and click on next. And it's going to immediately start installing our R. And there you go. You can see that our R is now rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. Just simply click on finish. So that's how install R. Now let's see how you can do a bit of R programming. So you can double click on the shortcut. That's going to give you this R console over here. Here you can write a simple R program. So print hello world, and quote equal to false. So hit enter and you are going to get that output. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed R. I highly recommend you to also install RStudio. So for that I have already made a detailed video over here. So please do follow this video and install your RStudio. That's going to give you a really good graphic user interface. So that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, so for that I have created this playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.